Now here is the next conversation. So let us read this conversation. La serveuse. It is a waitress. Et voici un café. And here a coffee. Un café. A coffee. So Luigi says merci. Do you remember what merci means? It means thank you. Merci. Vous êtes belge? Vous êtes belge? He is asking, you are from Belgium. Vous êtes belge? So she replies, non, non, je suis allemand. Je suis allemand. So this means she is from Germany. She is a German. Je suis allemand. So Luigi says, vous parlez bien français. So you must have understood this sentence. You speak French well. So you speak good French. He is complimenting her. So la serveuse, she says, merci, thank you. Et vous, and you, vous êtes français. You are French. You are from France. So he replies, non, italien. Non, italien. So it is a conversation between a waitress and a person named Luigi. So she gives him his coffee. Et voici un café. So he asks, vous êtes belge? And she says, non, je suis allemand. So he says, vous parlez bien français. You speak French well. So she says, thank you, merci. Et vous, vous êtes français? Non, italien. So now in this sentence we see that there are these words used. So these words indicate the nationality of the person, from where the person comes from. So we are going to learn about these different nationalities and how to use those words in the next session.